Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Sephora Beauty Bag feature. In order to use the Sephora Beauty Bag feature, often referred as Beauty Kit or Mystery Bag, you typically need to reach a specific spending threshold or use a promo code during a checkout procedure. Now, in some reason like Sephora UK, if it is a promotional gift added to your cart when you meet the criteria, so open the Sephora app or visit the offer or beauty offer page on the website to see if the beauty bag or beauty kit promotion is currently running. Now, most beauty bag offer require a minimum purchase like $150 to pound 135. Add a qualifying item to your shopping bag until you reach this amount. And some bag requires a specific code found on an offer page. You just have to enter this in the promo code box at the checkout, and then you could just go ahead and apply the promo code, automate the additions, and you could just go ahead and finalize the checkout. And that is basically how you're supposed to use Sephora Beauty Bag feature. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.